Cat's newest song, Animal, has officially broken the 24-hour YouTube record previously set by Pinky Up, making it their biggest music video debut ever. Congratulations, Cat's and Icon, but this is just the beginning. So, within 24 hours, Animal official music video has accumulated 9.4 million views, surpassing Iconic by Mistake with 8.4 million views, Pinky Up with 7.2 million views, Gabriella with 5.4 million views, Game Boy 3 million, Gnarly 2.9 million, and lastly, their debut was 1.6 million views. And just like that, Katsai made history again. Because right now, Animal is the most viewed YouTube music video by a Western girl group in its first 24 hours. Again, breaking the record previously set by Pinky Up. Surpassing again Fifth Harmony, Girl Set, Little Mix, of course their very own Gabriela Cat's Eye, and also Little Mix. So a little fun fact about Cat's Eye's Animal. The song actually was produced by Omer Fedi and Blake Slatkin. They are actually pretty famous guys. They are known for massive pop hits like Kid Laroi Stay and Lil Nas X Montero. And also, Animal by Katsai was co-written by one and only Ed Sheeran, alongside with Johnny McDade, Omer Fedi, and Blake Sletkin. According to Universal Music, Ed also contributed to guitar and background vocals to the track. And also, Demi Moore made a cameo in Katsai's music video. To be honest, I actually don't know who she is. But when I found out who she is, she's pretty iconic, guys. Demi Moore is an American actress born on November 11, 1962 in Roswell, New Mexico. She became a major global star in the 80s and 90s, making history as the world's highest paid actress by 1995. Wow, iconic! So guys, a lot of people are saying Cat Size Animal gives major Hotel Transylvania vibes. But Katsai's single Animal is not officially inspired by Hotel Transylvania, but fans online have compared its brassy, jazzy, retro pop sound to Fifth Harmony's I'm in Love with a Monster from the Hotel Transylvania 2 soundtrack. What do you think, guys? Do you hear the similarities between these two songs? And guys, this is what I think the message of the song. Lyrically, the song explores the concept of letting go of societal expectations to embrace your wild or authentic side. So guys, give your thoughts in the comment.